Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about the find function in Microsoft Excel. Here's a syntax of what the find function looks like. So basically, what this function does is it finds the location of a substring within a string. To help you understand better, let's head right into an example. Firstly, we want to know the location of the substring capital T in the string Tech Tips for Business. Note that this function is actually case sensitive. That's why we are going to get a different value once we type a lowercase t instead. Let's go ahead and type the find formula. There we go. For the first part, it says find text. We are going to use the substring for this one, as we are going to use this as a criteria. Find text. Then, by using a comma, we are now going to use within text. This is going to be where our formula would search for our text. In this case, we are using the string Tech Tips for Business in this term. Lastly, the start num function acts as if you wanted to use a new starting point or another starting point for the location of our substring. Though for this example, we are going to skip it. Microsoft Excel would use 1 as the start num for the location of the texts. Let's go ahead and use close parentheses and type enter. And there you go. Since the capital T is located on the first letter of our string, then it is going to return a value of 1. For the other terms, since we have this formula and it's just going to use the same formula for the other terms, we are just going to drag down the green box on the lower right corner of our cell. Just drag it across all the way down to the last term and voila. Here are the results. For the small t, we can see that it is the fifth letter for the string, which is T-E-C-H small t. That's why it produced a result. As for the next example, the ESS, it is located on the last portion of our string. Be mindful that it only showed one number, as it only showed one number since it's treating ESS as one term, so it's counting it as 1. So basically, there are 16 letters that are present before reaching the ESS term. This is the same case for the last item. The letter R is located on the 11th position. Let's try to change this for a bit. I've entered a value that isn't present within our string. And this is what the results that Microsoft Excel would show us. This is because it cannot find the substring within the string we selected. And this is perfectly normal, as it would show us that something isn't present on the data we are looking for. And there we have it. This is how we use the find function in Microsoft Excel.